so I'm here at the Moving Images at the Automated Dialogue Replacement, and this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to be doing the dialogue recorded during filming Dialogue recorded during filming may need to be re-recorded for reasons that include technical problems, unwanted noise, and flubbled lines. The dialogue is recorded in a studio after filming is over. The process is called Automated Dialogue Replacement. Alright, so let's put the headphones on and let's see what happens.
Select a scene.
Alright, let's see. We got School of Rock, Coming to America, Some Like It Hot, Babe, The Wizard of Oz, My Fair Lady. Let's try School of Rock. I'm into that movie.
I pledge allegiance.
I pledge allegiance
To the band.
to the band
of Mr. Schneebly,
of Mr. Schneebly,
and will not fight him
and will not fight him
for creative control,
for creative control,
and will defer to him on all issues related to the musical direction of the band.
Your character's lines will appear on the large screen. You have 3 lines to replace. First, you will rehearse. Then you will record. Rehearse your first line. Speak in a normal tone of voice. After the 3 beeps, say the line along with your character.
I pledge allegiance to the band of Mr. Schneebly.
You will now record your first line. Say the line along with your character.
I pledge allegiance to the band of Mr. Schneebly.
Rehearse your second line.
And will not fight him for creative control. Oh my god.
You will
I
now
wasn't ready.
record your second line.
I'm nervous. And will not fight him for creative control.
Rehearse your third line.
And will defer to him on all issues related to the musical direction of the band.
You
Oh
will
my
now
God.
record your third line.
It's pretty fast though. And will defer to him on all issues related to the musical direction of the band.
Now watch the scene with your voice on the soundtrack.
I pledge allegiance to the band of Mr. Schneebly. And will not fight him for creative control. And will defer to him on all issues related to the musical direction of the band.